Welcome. If you've ever wanted to look back at all the replies you've sent to Instagram stories and sort them by date, especially from your PC, this guide is for you. With Instagram's latest update, it's now easier than ever to find your entire Story Replies history, organized exactly the way you want. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram in your web browser and log into your account. This method works best on a desktop or laptop, so make sure you're not using the mobile app for this process. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen and find the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to expand the full menu. From the menu, select your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a detailed record of your interactions, making it the perfect place to review your story replies. Inside the Your Activity page, scroll down to the Interactions section. Here, you'll see a list of different types of interactions you've had on Instagram. Click on Story Replies. This will display all the replies you've sent to other users' stories. Now, to find replies from a specific time period, look for the Sort and Filter option at the top of the Story Replies page. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose a start date and an end date. This allows you to narrow down your search to just the replies you're interested in. After you've set your preferred dates, click Apply. Instagram will instantly filter your story replies, showing only those that fall within your selected range. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now revisit your story replies history by date, making it simple to track your past interactions or just take a trip down memory lane. This updated feature is perfect for anyone who wants to stay organized or reconnect with friends through old story conversations. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your Instagram experience.